Take care of your work. Take care. You, please take care and good luck to your work and always pray to God and God bless you. Thank you so much for coming live. Shout out to you. 6 minutes before I left on live. So say comment there and like, share. I'm fine, Manoj Kumar. You're looking so good. Thank you. Jose also shout out. From Indonesia, Mr. Lava. Your your voice is pink. What? Hello baby. Hello Jake, Ryzen, Nicor, and Barbary. My name was that. I write some message tomorrow. I hope to have answer. Yes. Okay, go. You can. Where's Wish? Are you still there? Why Wish? Okay, I will wait till you join my membership. Your nose, lips, hair, smart, sexy. Hello, Mice Badmera. Thank you for admiring my beauty. Appreciating my beauty. David Arambola. Hi, baby. Oh, guys, please, 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 please. I'm sorry for my English because I'm really trying to speak English here to you understand me. And my English is not good, but it's okay for me. I don't know. It's okay for all of you there. If you are tired, I can give you a massage. Yes. But you're too far. What you're doing? I'm just sitting here. Before I go sleep, I'm talking to my viewers, to my subscribers, and thank you so much for your spending time to watch my live. Yeah. Some kisses for you. Okay, thank you. Take care of your work, guys. Thank you. Chloe also is busy. One of my friend here. Hello, Mohammed El Kuskari. Hi. Hello, chill time. I'm from Philippines. Hello, Berna Baldovino. Hello, and Mohammed. Hi. Hi, everyone. I'm so tired. Hello to my 114 viewers. And a big shout out from Naomi. Hi, Amir. Hi, Edens. Hi. Hi, Maris Padmer. You're Bob. No, 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 don't do that. Please respect. Because I will delete the bad comment. Bye bye. Take care. You take care. What's your name? Gus David. I don't know how to pronounce it. Hello, David Aramboa. Do you give me a... Who is the father of your kid? What happened to this? What happened? Start pool. Ongoing. Okay, okay. Your feet are sweet. Hello, chill time, Philippines, nice country. Thank you. Thank you so much. What happened to this? And pool. I will end this pool. Eh? I can't end the pool. Hello guys. Bye for now because it's late night and I'm waiting to... Which kids are you still watching there? Hello, where are you? Are you... You're gone. Because I'm sleepy. Look at my eyes. Because as we travel so long, what you call it, long drive. It travels about... We start for 2 p.m. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6 hours. You guys... Oh really? Hello, Jenny Panya Ayabo. Haven't... Same to you, Jenny Lynn. God bless you too. Okay, thank you for watching live. Oh, really? Next time. Hi.